Hello and welcome to Antique Restorations. We had a blooper go on. Our memory card was full and I should have known that. I saw yesterday that was filling up. So anyways, we're going to start again. I got a doll in today and I already took her out, so we have to kind of restart again. But anyways, here she is. This is Lambkin's from the Effanbee doll company. Now she's a rare doll of the Effanbee. You can find her from time to time on eBay, but or other sites. You can find her, but she's just not one that pops out all the time. She's a little bit of a different doll. I'm not really I don't know. I don't know what to make of her face. I like her, but I don't like her. It's an in between love it, not hate, but just love and don't know type of look. You know, I think that's what it is. She's cute in her own way. I like her though. I've always been kind of attracted to her. She has a little tongue up inside there. She's to represent a newborn. She has the tin eye. She's composition. She has a little bit of paint wear on top. But on the whole, she has a bubble up by her eye there. But I think on the whole, she looks pretty good there. You know, I'm not going to touch her right away. I think I'm going to dress her and make her look pretty again. Now, I was just in the part where I was just ready to undress her. So we're going to finish undressing her here. And let's just see what she looks like. Her body is in kind of a disarray right now. It's been sewing. Now, we'll take her, let's jump to her feet. She's got these little turned-in feet type of thing. So I think it's just to represent the more of the newborn froggy-shaped legs. But her body's been really sewing up. She's got some Frankenstein sewing going on here, you know, so stitching going on. So let's get her arm out of here first. So we're going to take this slip. This is a beautiful little gown. And she's just gorgeous. We'll get this off of her and we'll take a look at her body. She is going to need a new body, and that is a definite. But then I will have a lambkin body for a 20-inch lambkin. This is made by, like I say, by the Effanbee Doll Company in the 1920s, I think she came out in. And, oh, she's gorgeous, though, in her own way. Now, she's got issues. Oh, yeah. She's got issues on her arms here and all this stuff. But, you know, all fixable stuff. But I'm not going to fix her right now. I'm going to take her and dress her and enjoy her just for what she is right now and put her in a nice little buggy and deal with her that way right now. But, oh, my goodness, yeah, she has some body issues. This is her... Oh, my goodness, she's been Frankensteined all over the place. She's got... Whoops. She's got... Whoop, let me get rid of this bubble wrap. Okay, we'll talk about her now. She's got sewing going on up here. She's got one arm back here, one arm this way. Oh, this arm really floats around good. Can this one? Oh, no, this one can't even move. Okay, so it just doesn't balance her right, you know. But anyways, she's got these little turn-in legs. So she's going to need some real looking after here. I can see that. Her body needs to be redone. Not a bad body to sew. I see how they made her body. I'll have to stitch it apart, and we'll have to do, now this is what we call the built-in bum in her here. She has her built-in bum, so this gives her some ability to sit. So she's like a shelf doll that she can have a bit of a bum sitting. So that will have to be put in. This is all re-sewn up. Somebody took her and hand sewed her. So all that Frankenstein type of sewing is done to her. But anyways, we can get her to look beautiful again. And she's missing a toe here, so she is going to be up for restoration. She's got a toe missing right there, the tip of a toe. A little bit of bang up across her feet. I can understand why, because these legs do turn in, you know, so they bang a lot to each other. So with play, it would play havoc on the legs. For us as collectors, once we restore them, they sit then, and they're just admired for what they are. But she definitely is going to be up for restoration. She is marked on the back. Lambkin's right there. There's her markings right there. So yeah, she's good. But this is a very hard doll to get your hands on. I have bid on many of them. I've seen them go for a really good price too, and I got her for a very low price. I know with the problems, that's what you're going to get, though. When you are going to get a low-price lambkins, you're going to get problems with it. But I understand that, and these are things that I can work on and deal with. But anyhow, as that may be, I still think she's a gorgeous doll. I'm glad I got her. I've been very anxious to get her, you know, and just to have her in my collection. So she's going to be a nice doll to add. I'm happy with her. But again, it's not like a... I'm not... I love her, I do. It's just that she has a different look. And that's what I'm trying to accustom myself to, is that look. So, just one of their different dolls, Effanbee's different dolls. And but I'm glad I got her. A great addition to my collection. I have a lot of dolls. I can't say I absolutely, you know, I have fallen rapturously in love with them. There are some I just love to pieces. I just adore them. And then there's others like this one here that I'm in a little funky area with them. But I'm so happy to own them at the same time. Very different area when it comes to some of your dolls. And I know, like, I hear in the reborns, they'll say, I'm not, oh, what's the word that they use? Bond with a doll. I don't use the word bond. When I like a doll, I like a doll. I like her. And that's how I deal with dolls. And I don't bond with dolls. I bond with human beings. That's what I bond with. But when I like something, I like something. I like her. And I like her looks. But they're just different to me. And that's what I'm trying to say. And that's why I like to collect sometimes different dolls, because I love their different looks. And I don't want all my dolls to look generic across. We want those different faces in amongst our dolls. And that's why I got that, what I always say, my quirky side. And I think this is one of my quirky dolls again. And it's that I love that quirky side of myself. And I get attached to them in that way. Bond? No. But do I like her? Yes. So I'm going to leave it at that. Everybody has to make their own decision how they look at things. And I like her. I do. And she's going to be fun to restore when her day comes. But thanks again for coming and joining me here. And Stephen?
Thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.